author Manoj Arora's new book From the Rat Race to Financial Freedom. Let's give a big round of applause. We also have with us noted guest MLA and former Finance Minister of Delhi Government Professor Jagdish Mukhi and Vijay Thakur from Jaico Publishing House. Just giving an introduction about our chief guest. Yes, born in 1942, Mr. Jagdish Mukhi completed his school education from Sona, followed by BCom, MCom and PhD in finance. After starting as a student leader, Mr. Mukhi was elected as a member of Delhi Legislative Assembly in 1993. Keeping in mind his experience and deep knowledge in the field of finance, BJP government handed over the responsibility of finance planning, excise and taxation ministries to Professor Mukhi. His contribution to Finance Minister was duly appreciated by Vice President of Planning Commission. One such example is on revenue, also a leader of opposition in Delhi Assembly. Keeping in view the effective role in the House, Dr. Mukhi was facilitated with the award of the Best MLA and Leader of Opposition. So I request all of you to give a big round of applause to our chief guest. Please welcome Professor Jagdish Mukhi on the stage. We also have with us on the dais Vijay Thakur, National Sales and Marketing Head at Jaico Publishing House. A big round of applause for Mr. Thakur. Jaico Publishing House, one of the India's premier book publishing companies, has published an incredible array of titles and authors over the past 6 decades. Jaico is present in 10 cities across India, has published over 2,000 titles in a wide range of segments. With the publication of From the Rat Race to Financial Freedom, Jaico continues its tradition of publishing some excellent works by first-time authors. If there are any budding writers in the audience, do please meet Mr. Thakur after this event. And now we welcome Mr. Manoj Arora, the author of the book From the Rat Race. Introduction about Mr. Arora, our author. Mr. Manoj Arora is an engineer by profession, has worked for the best of Fortune 500 organizations across the globe. In his 20 years of strong electrical engineering and IT career, after being a gold medalist in his engineering college at Aligarh Muslim University, giant in India. Though being a top performer in his job, he was still looking for true freedom and happiness, which did not seem to be coming from salary increments, promotions, or job hopping. In the year 2000, he decided to switch his career to information technology. During his enriched career, his interaction with employees and people across the globe strengthened his belief in the need for financial freedom. He realized that the most of the people around him are stuck in the mindless rat race, facing similar challenges as him and having no clue as how to come out of it. He realized that for people to achieve true happiness, they need to chase their dreams. And for that to happen, financial freedom can be very critical's first milestone. After having worked with corporate giants like L&T, TCS and IBM, Manoj was able to successfully transition from the rat race to financial freedom and is now chasing his future calling in life, which is to elevate our society. So I request Mr. Thakur to say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I represent the publishing house Jaico. Jaico Publishing House, which is, I think, started in 1946, before the independence of our country. And we are glad here to be here at Gurgaon. This is first time we are launching one of our first time author book here in Gurgaon. And seeing a crowd here, I'm really excited for all you guys here. As Jaiko tradition we always support, and we always look for the upcoming first-time writers, and we see potential in them. One such great example was Robin Sharma. Nobody was knowing him here, but we took a challenge, and now past is the history. Like that, I am confident Mr. Manoj will be our upcoming bestseller author in coming time. Thank you very much.